Here is our Tequila Sunrise. So the actual original Tequila Sunrise is actually a much different drink that dates back to around the 30s from Arizona, actually. But the Tequila Sunrise we have here, and that's popular today, dates back to the 70s, where it was made at a party to kick off the Rolling Stones tour in 1972, the Trident Hotel, I believe, in California. And the key members of the Rolling Stones liked it so much that they started ordering it everywhere on tour, and even called it their Cocaine and Tequila Sunrise tour. And so that is why it's now popular today. And that's what brings us this drink today. It's a little bit tricky to make because of the color striation. So it requires a very delicate pour of the grenadine, which I'll show you here in a minute. But this is how it's done. If you want to dress it up a little bit nicer, you can use a homemade grenadine instead of the store-bought grenadine like I use here. I think that may, based on how you make it though, that may affect the densities and may affect your color gradient. But feel free to experiment and have fun with it. You're going to start with a taller, thinner glass, like a Collins glass preferably, or highball glass. That way you can see the layer as well. You'll want to start with your 2 ounces of tequila, right there. Then 4 ounces of fresh and chilled orange juice. Since there's no ice in this, you'll want to use chilled orange juice. If you don't have chilled orange juice, you can always make it with ice, just won't look as nice. And now comes the tricky part. So here's the grenadine. That makes the layered effect. So the grenadine is heavier than the other 2 liquids we just put in here. So it should sink to the bottom and give you that nice little like sunrise type effect. So let's see if I can do it. The trick is to pour it very gently. Some people use a spoon and they pour over a spoon so it slowly separates into the mixture. And we're using a 1/2 ounce of grenadine here. So did I get it there? That's not bad. That's pretty good. So you've got your red color down the bottom there, fading up into your yellow for the orange juice. Not so bad. And so that is your Tequila Sunrise. Cheers.